the new interview of Yagmur, Yüksel and Baris Baktas. Yes, guys, as they were in the ceremony yesterday and they both have given interview together. They have given new interview together after a long time. After a few moments, Baris left due to some important work, but Yagmur continued to give her interview. And many new beautiful pictures from the new interview of Yagmur and Baris have also been shared. Yagmur was so much comfortable and happy. So Yagmur, Yüksel and Baris Baktas have given together new interview after a long time and they were looking so much happy and delighted. Especially Yagmur was so happy.